Inside the factory, it all begins here in the orchards as the seasonal purple fruit is harvested for our premium drinks. To create our premium drinks, we start with the freshest hand-picked Jamun, loaded gently into sanitized crates and sealed tight for transport. Inside the Jamun juice factory, the journey begins as the seasonal purple fruit is carefully transported to the facility. Lot A1 delivered, confirmed. You can proceed to the unloading bay.
Roger that. Thank you.
Inside the factory, crates of seasonal Jamun fruit are carefully transported to ensure premium quality for our drinks.
Inside the rotary washer, high-pressure water jets gently yet effectively remove dust and debris from the seasonal Jamun fruit.
To create our premium drinks, every single Jamun fruit is inspected by hand, rejecting any that are overripe or damaged.
To create our premium Jamun juice, the fruit undergoes careful filtration, separating the rich liquid from the fibers.
After leaving the pulper, the Jamun puree hits the fine mesh screen, where high-frequency vibrations ensure only the smoothest liquid passes through.
To achieve that premium silky texture, the juice is homogenized, with pressure climbing from 80 all the way up to 140 bar.
The seasonal purple fruit is turned into premium drinks. Here in the blending tank, preservatives are evenly
The juice, now homogenized, rests in the settling tank. The timer is set for 4 minutes of sediment separation. Here we see the settling tank, where the foam is removed to ensure a perfectly glossy, premium product. To create our premium drinks, the vibrant purple Jamun juice is carefully pasteurized at 85 degrees Celsius.
Our premium Jamun juice flows through the filling heads, ensuring every bottle receives an exact measured volume of the smooth, purple fruit drink. The 4 torque-controlled capping heads twist the gold caps onto the bottles with perfect pressure, ensuring a secure seal for our premium Jamun juice.
The final step before inspection is the precise application of the batch code, ensuring traceability for every premium drink. Once sealed, the premium Jamun juice bottles move quickly to the labeling stage, where our automated system ensures perfect alignment every time.